Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you a very easy recipe for a gluten-free roti. Now I'm actually going to be using two types of store-bought gluten-free mixes. Here I have the Betty Crocker all-purpose gluten-free. This is a mixture of rice flour, potato starch, tapioca starch, gar gum and salt. And the other flour that I have here is the King Arthur gluten-free multi-purpose flour. Now these both gluten-free flours, they are great for baking and for making roti. So to start, I'm going to add 2 cups of the King Arthur gluten-free flour to my big mixing bowl. And I prefer the ratio of 2:1 for this recipe. And I'm going to go in with 1 cup of that Betty Crocker rice flour mix. Next, baking powder. Mix to combine. And you're going to go in with warm water to bring this together to form a soft to medium dough. Now, you don't want to add too much water at once because this absorbs water quite quickly and it can get very soft very fast. So I'm adding it a little at a time and I'm kneading it until it comes together, until it's a nice smooth dough ball. This gluten-free flour has a sort of like a sandy texture, like sand. It's not going to come together and have any stretch. It's going to be able to break away quite easily. So just keep kneading it. And if you need some dry flour, you can use the same King Arthur multi-purpose gluten-free flour. Next, once it comes together in the bowl, you're going to take a wet paper towel or tea towel and cover it for about 5 to 8 minutes. Next, once it has rested, break the dough into smaller dough balls or to the size you would like. Next, on a floured surface, lightly floured, press out your dough and using a rolling pin, roll it out to 1/4 of an inch thickness. Now this next step is optional, but to give it a finished look, I'm going in with my pizza cutter and I'm cutting off those cracked edges. This is just going to make your roti look really neat and presentable in case you're serving this to guests. You'll just discard the ends. And then we'll move on onto cooking this. Now I'm using my frying pan because I wanted to show you guys how to cook roti in a frying pan for those of you all who don't own a tower. So when you put it in, count to 20 seconds and then flip it. You want to make sure you flip it because if you leave it to cook on one side for too long, the other side is going to start to crack up. So to prevent that cracking, when you put it in, count 20 seconds and then flip it. And then you'll just keep flipping it until it starts to swell as you see in the video. Now it's not going to be a very soft roti like a normal roti, but it was a pretty good roti. For a gluten-free roti, this was pretty good. You get a perfect pocket to fill or to put your filling in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a very easy recipe. I enjoyed making this one for you all. I want to try to see if I can do a Dhalpuri version also for you all. So I'll have that recipe coming up. If you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you guys another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!